Alright, well, so here we got an unboxing. I made a purchase from Obsessed Garage. There's a detailing channel. Obviously, I don't do hardcore detailing, but I do love the experience of washing your car, and I do have the SunJoe SPX3000. And there are a couple things I'd like that would, change. And after seeing Matt's channel, Obsessed Garage, it seems like a solution to some of the things that I had a problem with SunJoe. Now, the SunJoe pressure washer is fairly cheap. I paid about $100 for it. And one of the things I didn't like is the hose when you connect the gun. Everything's all twist on, like you have to screw it on, and it's hard to remove back and forth. And so the purpose of this, I got a quick connect for the hose. So from the hose to the gun, they both have quick connections, and basically it's just easy to take apart and store when you don't need it, and basically for easy maintenance. And then the next was the gun. So the gun, I actually got it with the swivel. So the gun itself is about $60 with the swivel. It bumps it up to about 100, and basically it lets the gun swivel without you having to twist the whole entire gun just to go with the line that it comes with. And then third was the hose that SunJoe comes with is pretty rough. So I mean, you have to wear gloves. So if you're you can easily, it's scratch your hands or get your hands messed up without wearing gloves. So hopefully I'll see the texture of this hose. Seems like it's not as abrasive as that hose, but let's see what we got. Obsessed Garage, first purchase from there. I was debating on making the purchase because I don't wash my car often, but obviously when it's warm, living in Maryland, seasons are always changing, and the winters were hit and miss. We barely got any snow this winter, so we got lucky. But obviously it's too cold, can't wash it when the hose is frozen. But yeah, spring is among us, so I got this. Figure why not? This stuff will probably last me a lifetime. So yeah, easy maintenance. Alright, so here we got, first thing, looks like I got the foam cannon kit. This is the PF22.2. I originally have the MTM one, cheap one from Amazon. It was like $20. But it looks like it comes with a little instructions there. Got a little fitting for the top here, and then we got the bottle. Pretty excited. I like this design. I'm gonna put it together. It can sit up, even with liquid in it, so this is awesome. So yeah, so get that. Comes with some extra fittings. There, quick connect. So excited for that. Wow. Awesome. Decide which one I put on here. Okay, so that's the foam cannon. Next we have here, so this is actually a bucket vinyl kit, so just to label basically the buckets, wheels. I got the wheels rinse and wash kit. It's just nice. I like having stuff just kind of labeled, organized, so this kind of helps with that. So we got the rinse decal we're going to put on the bucket. Got the wheels bucket. Spicy. And we got the wash bucket. So that just goes on. Looks like they use a new vinyl system that's pretty good. So you can apply it, and then, if you don't like it, you can unpeel it and reapply it pretty much. So sweet technology there. Next I picked up this interior cleaner from P&S. It's something that's overall look like it's a good just overall interior. You can use it for any surface pretty much, and gets it nice and clean. And I'm gonna try it out. I've been using Chemical Guys products, Total Clean before, and I currently have Meguiar's in my car, so just have this to try out and just see which one I like the best. But I figured, I respect Matt and his attention to detail with stuff, so, I take his word on it, and you know, I would say everything he does, it reflects, you know, who he is, and you know, I respect that. Next is the gun. As you can see here, got the SGS28, and as you can see here, this is the swivel action that we're talking about. So now when you use the gun, it can, you know, swivel along. You don't have to. Oh, that's nice. Feels very nice. Oh man, I am excited. So yeah, that's the gun with the swivel. Very, very sturdy. I mean, it's not, like I said, definitely not cheap for sure. You get your money's worth. Let's just say that. Put that there. All right, and last is the hose. Right there. Very smooth. Doesn't have a rough texture. So we're gonna go ahead and hook these up. Alright, gonna start with the rinse. I'm just using window cleaner. You could probably use soap, like a soap and water mixture if you'd like as well. I also have a squeegee here, so we're gonna squeeze that. So we'll get this lubricated. It's wet there. Peel off the decal. Okay, so I'm gonna redo this because apparently I stuck this. So that's the beauty of this, you know. So once you lay it down, you don't like it, you respray the surface. Take off the decal. Look at that, simple. Look at that, it's beautiful. And then it's easy to just re-stick it to where you want. On and applied. Love it. Rinse bucket's done. The other two buckets I have a Jay Leno bucket and a Chemical Guys one, so we're gonna get those labeled as well. Cover up the. We'll leave the Jay Leno logo on there, but we'll put it on the back. Not the perfect cut, but it's a cut, right?